So, some of our customers have asked, how do you use something like, say, agriculture card or blacklight in a theatrical or event setting? And we thought the best way to show you is to show an event that we recently lit. This is a A-list after party for Steven Soderbergh's new horror film, Perfect. We're here at the Sheets Goldstein house. We lit the entire thing in under 15 minutes. And wait till you see what it can do. These are two of our team members walking down the street, and you can see just how far blacklight throws. So if you're asking yourself, I'm not quite sure how to use exotic cards like this, I've never used light fields like this before, don't worry about it. This is super easy and it's super fun. This took us less than 15 minutes. We stuck an ad card in the middle of this palm tree bank here. We put one on a pancake with a little baby spud behind this structure here in less than 5 minutes. We hit a black light up there and a bunch of palms. And if you turn around the other direction, based in this palm area here, we've got another black light that lights all the way up the road. When we say that black light can illuminate roughly the area of a 4-story building, we're not exaggerating. That's what you can do with black light and agriculture card in under 15 minutes of setup time.
Anthem 1. We didn't invent the light. We perfected it.